Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Wix with TikTok. So there's a couple of options you can use. The most obvious one is going by the sub search bar here and just searching TikTok here, right? And you can click on this to search in the app market. And in here, there'll be a couple of apps you can use, like social follow us. This is basically just a TikTok button on your Wix website. There's also a TikTok feed here, but be mindful of what it says here, like free plan, free. If it's free plan, then it'll probably be uh paid just with a demo. You can also do TikTok ads here, or you can do TikTok videos and profile embed, which I will show you how to do. So a TikTok profile and embed, so it'll be like this. You can just click this to add to site. It'll do a pop-up window just like this, right? And you can just click on this agree and add. You can also make sure to check that as well. So agree and add here, right? And it'll add it onto your current Wix site, which in my case is called my site 4. And I'm going to click on this, go to editor, right? And it'll be just give it a second to load. If it doesn't load, you can open it manually. You can click on this, right? Here we go. This is the Wix editor. Just let it load for a second. Once it's loaded, you'll see it'll do like this, adding TikTok videos and profile embed. Just give it a second to add it in. Now, once it's added, you can check the apps on the sidebar here, right? So on the sidebar, you just have to click on this, add elements, and here you can go to app widgets here. This is the TikTok one we just installed earlier. I'm just going to drag it to the page here real quick. And this is a TikTok video page, and you've integrated TikTok. You have integrated Wix with TikTok just like this.